Stay level with the ground. Let's stay level with that ground. So guys, I'm just gonna ride around a little bit, have some fun, hop a hill, and run back down it. Really fun. Guys, we are going and we're flying, guys. And it's nice out here. Jump there. Carol. I mean, we're good. I ain't giving up on this day. Here, guys. Here goes the big one. Guys, we are going down a hill. Oh gosh. Oh, I can barely hold on. I mean, you're here with the GoPro, so that makes sense, right? I can't hold on. Oh. Easy ride. All right, we're here. Okay, guys, it just cut out again. Sorry about that. I had to turn it off and turn it back on. It's weird. It just bugs. But I gotta deal with it. So, bye, guys.